check the clearing between the bottom of the big sprocket with the end plate, because sometimes it have a contact with the bus. Some stuff by rebuild it too high. We have to check it before install. In this case, for example, see, one stop too high, and with some engine, the end plate, we have a contact here. If it make a contact, so you can replace by another washer, thick washer. Okay, thick washer. You have to process on this stop bus, and sometimes make contact with this logo here. Install and lock this. It have a chain here. This this, okay, then tie screw. Okay. When everything is clear, you will see it will be free, no contact from any plate. See? Okay, then you're ready to go. Use the washer and screw that I provide. Very important here is after you tie this, you have to check. You have to check very careful. If the surface higher than the Christmas tree, there your clutch will be make a contact with the bottom here, so the clutch cannot work clearly. After tie this surface must be lower than Christmas tree. Use my screw, okay? Do not use the origin screw. My screw. See, it's like this must be equal or lower. Lower will be better. Okay. After tie it, double check one more time. So this can be free. It's okay. We're ready to go. Then you power tool or hand tool to tie this. Don't forget to use the holder. Yeah. See, holder here and here. It's also this side or this side. Okay. Then use power tool or hand tool. It's okay. Install the spring. Maximum can put 16 spring or 20 spring, but depend on how strong your engine. You can put 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 or maximum 20. Yeah, yeah, I should do for example, but 6 easy to install. See 2 hole, it will match with 2 hole here. Okay, then use this tool. Just few round, 10 or 15 round. Make sure that after this you can do this. Okay, then tie to screw here. You have to do both sides at the same time. One. Okay. When the flank go down, make a contact with the spider. If you feel hard to make it go down, use small. See, to make it in the one straight, and it will go down. See, use small tool like this to make it in that line, and keep going. At the end, you will see the surface of flank will be lower than the spider. Tighten up and make sure that it's still, you can do like this. Okay, don't forget to put it in oil about 1 hour before you install. See, just like that. With the GB version, if you come with one thick steel plate, it's okay. You can put it on the top or bottom, it's okay. Okay, top still here. Okay, I'll screw. One last thing, very important, when you tie on this screw, make sure that just use this tool, okay, and tie it up. Don't tie too strong. Do not use this tool, okay, because you use this tool, sometimes it will over and make this stuff, this steel plate will be destroyed. For example, like this, see, too strong, this will open wide, and then your flank cannot go up. Just tighten up, or you have a torque like this, set at 5 Nm, 5 Nm maximum, no more. Do not use this, do not use this. This, okay, tighten up. Okay, okay, let's check after you tie on the screw. If you can do like this, okay, the clutch works perfect and clearly. If you cannot do it, you have to check everything. Okay, see, it's okay. Okay, now you will see the top leg will higher, the flanger, you're ready to go. And after this, you have to check the clearance between this. This is for the LIS. For the GB version will be different here. You have to check the clearance between here and the crank outside, the tail outside.